inside SpaceX's Starfactory. Located in Texas, the Starfactory spans over 1 million square feet, making it the largest and most advanced rocket-building facility on Earth. Its mission: produce enough Starships to eventually launch one every single day. Up to 365 a year from a single site. Raw materials. Every Starship begins as simple rolls of stainless steel, about 4 millimeters thick. SpaceX engineered a proprietary alloy that gets stronger in extreme cold, ideal for cryogenic fuel loads, while still withstanding the intense heat of atmospheric re-entry. It also resists corrosion for long-term reuse and remains workable enough for welding and shaping. Shaping, the metal automated systems cut the steel into rings and weld them into segments using robotic arms. Curved components, like the nose cone and fuel tanks, are formed through hydroforming, where high-pressure fluid, over 36,000 psi, presses the metal into molds, a new manufacturing philosophy. Rather than a single linear assembly line, SpaceX borrows a concept from Tesla's unboxed production method, building sections in parallel rather than sequentially. Elon Musk calls it a linear adjacent flow. Overhead cranes move along a steel beam grid, transporting components between rotating workstations instead of relying on a conveyor system. By comparison, NASA's SLS rocket components are built across multiple states and even overseas, then shipped to Florida for final assembly. A process that's taken roughly 4 years to produce 2 rockets, building in sections. The ship is divided into 3 main zones. The nose cone, or payload section up top, fuel tanks in the middle, and engines at the bottom. Each section is fitted with thermal protection tiles, made in SpaceX's own on-site tile factory, currently producing over 1,000 tiles daily, with plans to scale to 7,000. Simultaneously, smaller components are built in parallel. Header tanks for landing fuel, movable flaps with internal motors, and the payload bay, which includes cutouts for Starlink satellite deployment and docking ports. A specialized rack, nicknamed the PS dispenser, holds and releases satellites in sequence. Final assembly. The Gigabay. All these pieces converge at the Gigabay, a structure roughly 116 meters tall. Here, cranes join the top, middle, and bottom sections into a complete rocket, followed by plumbing, wiring, and final tile installation. The facility can handle 24 ships and boosters simultaneously. Raptor engines are built separately in Hawthorne, California, tested in McGregor, Texas, and then shipped to the final assembly site for installation and hot fire testing before launch clearance. Looking ahead, currently SpaceX is producing rockets faster than it's launching them. Intentional groundwork for future demands. Daily Starlink V3 deployments, orbital data center missions, lunar landings requiring multiple refueling flights, and eventually, missions to Mars.